Owie, owie, owie. Hey sugar, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Rox of RoxStarBakes, and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. Here's the tool card for making the llama donuts. I create at least one new video a week, and this week we are making adorable llama donuts. They're almost too cute to eat. The things that I use for this step-by-step tutorial are my Swiss meringue buttercream, I'll link it below, your favorite donuts, fondant in white and pink and yellow, an edible ink pen in black, I'll link my favorite ones below as well. I use 3 piping tips, a 1A and a 4B, but a 32 works great too. It's just not as fluffy, and a piping bag. Let's get into it. First, roll out the white fondant to about 1/8 of an inch and then use the large side of the 1A to make the circle for the llama's mouth. I use something to poke out the fondant gently because it can get a little stuck. For this project, I am making 9 kawaii llamas, but I always make extra of everything and choose the prettiest. Then use a smaller side of the 1A tip to make the eyes. Actually, for all of the fondant pieces, these can be made in advance the night before if you're in a rush for time. Next, I get into making the ears, which can be any color, but I use pink and yellow to make this more spring themed. I make 2 solid sets and then I mix the yellow and pink together to get the more tie-dye ears. I roll this to about 1/8 of an inch thick as well, and I also use the 1A piping tip to cut out the large circles. And basically, during this process, my second camera that records from above dies. Bummer. The ears are really easy. Put your thumb in the center of the circle while pinching the bottom half of the ear. All set. Here is what all of the fondant pieces look like together. Now we're going to practice our drawing skills by filling out the mouth and ears of the llama donut. You can do the same exact technique to make llama cupcakes. To make the mouth, I think of it as a crisscross J and curvy L. Give them at least 10 minutes to dry. For the eyes, I make different designs to give each one a little more personality. Some of them are winking, some look like they're sleeping, and some are just excited. It's so fun. You can buy or make the donuts. These are my tasty cake donuts. Let me know if you'd like to see a recipe video. For piping, hold the piping tip above the donut where you'd like the buttercream to end. Apply an even pressure to the piping bag. Pull just as the buttercream gets to the right height. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between the 2 piping tips. The 32 is on the left and the 4B is on the right. The 4B is the larger tip, and so I think it gives the buttercream a fluffier and cloud-like appearance. So cute. If you apply more pressure to the 32, the stars are bigger and they look like the 4B florets or flowers. I place the mouth first because it gives everything else a guide. Then the eyes, and then the ears. And bam! Finished llama donut step by step. Which is your favorite? Blinky, winky, excited, or sleepy? Feels like I'm naming dwarves. If this video is helpful at all, like, share, subscribe, it definitely helps. And in the comments below, let me know what projects you want me to tackle next, what questions you have. I want to try to make all of those videos. Also, on my Instagram account, I'm actually collabing with a friend, so I'm gonna link her information down below so you can check out her spring llama themed project. I hope you have a stellar week. Thank you so much for watching.